exercise. As you can see, I am holding fitness band. These bands are nowadays the new trend. I am going to show you few exercises with these bands. So you can get this band anywhere in the market, and there are basically rubber bands which gives us some strength, resistance while pulling it. So I will be showing you few exercises which you guys can do. Just try for yourself and see if it works for you. So the first exercise which we are going to do is just going to stretch the band like this. So this helps you to get a warm up in your shoulder. The next time you can even try to stretch it like that. Try to pull as far as you can. Like this. Next is you can do a shoulder workout. Pulling it, squatting as like this. This gives a good stretch on your shoulder. A lot of cricketers, especially the bowlers, do all this sort of stretching because it helps you to get that strength in your shoulders. Next is you can do a biceps exercise. Just like this. Just go all the way up. You can even do it with surface on a rod, and you can pull it like this also. See, so this helps on your chest as well as your back. You can even do it with a single hand like this. It's like a rowing exercise. You can also try push it like this. So this helps you for your shoulder like this. For the chest, you can hold the band like this. This you can do like this. You can also do the bicep exercise like this. You can even do it with a single hand like this. There is a few exercises which I have shown you using a simple band. So basically you should try to do is at least 15 to 20 reps of each of this workout. So this helps you to give a good warm up to your body, and as well as it helps you to make that muscle fibers strong. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this workout and stay tuned for more such videos from my channel.